Hi artist, happy snowy days we have here. I thought today would be a perfect opportunity for us to practice snowflake making. And there are many ways to make the snowflake, but I'm going to show you just a simple starting point and then you will get to create. For the supplies today, whatever you might have at your home that could be used for art making. If it's just a drawing pencil, crayons, markers, colored pencils, pastels, if you want to try this with paint, you are welcome to. If you don't have any of those, maybe you can experiment. Go get some Q-tips and maybe found objects around your house that you could use and assemble or put a snowflake together. So the goal though for all of this will be that the snowflake shows symmetry. And we have used that math term for a while. Both sides are the same. You are right. So to begin, I'm going to do a demo of 3 different ones. I'm going to start with the letter X and then draw a vertical line. Okay, I'm just using a pencil and I'll use that for my base. X vertical. I'll change the size of this one. X vertical. All right, I think I'll switch to a marker because I have one. So for the first snowflake, I'm just going to use the simple letter V. Whatever I put on one side, I'll immediately draw on the other. Let's try it on these angles. All right, so that's a pretty simple base beginning. Think of a shape you might want at the end. I'm going to use a diamond. You could use a heart, circle, triangle. Basically what I'm using are just simple shapes to create my design. I'm going to use a little colored pencil to highlight the first lines I drew. There we go. And maybe a little crayon for the center. Not bad. That works for me. What are you going to do? Here's another one. I'm going to reverse the letter V and make it look like a mountain instead. And I'm going to put that towards the end of each of the snowflake. We call them spines. I think I'll put a little circle on top. Instead, I'm going to use, instead of going opposite with the V, I'm using that mountain or the upside down V. In between here, I'm going to draw a V. In between here, an upside down V. And again, and again, and again, and again. It kind of creates a star. Let's outline that. Let's use, I have a thick blue line. Fun. Maybe I'll put a little circle on the end. There are so many options and so many ways you get to have good fun with this. I'll try this one with crayon. I think in the center, I'll start with that circle again. And I'll make it look like there's a heart on each one. It's a little close. Let's try a pencil now. What if I just did short straight lines horizontally? Keeping the symmetry the same. Let's try now a large V. All right, and I think I'll finish off with a large heart. Repeat a shape, and it's great to repeat what you already have. Maybe in between, I'll just add short dashes. There we are. There's my snowflakes. What will yours look like? All Mrs. Pulliam used were simple shapes, keeping symmetry, simple lines, and you can just create so many. If you create something, remember you can always email it to me. With your time left, think of what you can do as a border. Is there an up close? It's just inside a snow globe. Could you tear pieces of paper and make a frame? Could you cut these out and hang them up? All right, your turn. I'll see you soon.